Everyone. Oh, fixing na to your bed. How to fix it to your bed. Look. GB is training to fixing to.
We celebrate JB's birthday in Japan.
Okay, but how many months before your birthday?
2 months.
No, it's one. Because now is what day today? June?
June, July, August.
No, June. What day today?
June 28.
Oh, June 28. How many days before July? After July, your birthday. Okay?
Yes.
We're celebrating your birthday
In Japan.
in Japan. Who there joining birthday yours?
Auntie Jessica.
Nag-fixing si JB ng bed. And then, after that,
Exercise.
And then, after exercise, what is scheduled today?
Piano.
Piano and swimming and
I don't
I
know.
don't know. Okay. Ito yung alaga ko. Yan. Every morning wake up is brush your teeth, and after brush your teeth, take a medicine, and then after that, fixing the bed. Yan. Kagigising lang po. Yan si JP. Tari ba? Anong Je? Hello guys, my work here is take care of GB. Because JB is he have autism, a little late development GB. But GB is nice. GB is good reading. GB is what call that is matalino, smart reading and all. So, every morning he did not asking to me Alice, Yaya, where is the gamot? Ganan. No, he has always every morning is brush your teeth, and after brush your teeth, take a medicine because it's GB every morning. He have take a medicine, and then after that, you put shoes. You put shoes for exercise, and then after that after exercise, uh, JB is 20 minutes. Is 20 minutes. 20 minutes sitting on the chair here because JB is uh, this one is office. This is the office. Anytime it's like this. Mm, this like this drawing is any kind of drawing. This one is map for all over the world. Is Mexico like that. Egypt, yan. Dinodrawing niya yan, yan, yan. Yan, dinodrawing niya yan, yan. Yan, kuplituhin niya yan. Then, listening, JV there is listening to songs, and JV is, he have online class. Just sitting. Then before you eat lunch or dinner, no sit, no always yeah, where is my gamot? No, she stand up on the chair because they always stay there or stay in on the chair here. And then before you eating, he stand up going to the put the medicine, and then after that back there. And then no, it's no have problem for take care of JB. It's a nice, and then it's a good. I starting here work for JB. I starting take care of JB in 2000, maybe 2001. Start of it took before pandemic. I start here work, and then kind of my employer is kind. Before pandemic, I stayed there, and then how many months? Maybe it's 2 months, three. No, maybe it's 3 months like that, or 4 months. Is my employer is she she talk he talked to me na she asking to me the she preparing I prepared to passport like that, all preparing my passport because JB and my employer not every month to going to the another country vacation, but she decided to my employer take of the passport like that. Then after that birthday JV is first Singapore. So many countries is vacation me with JV and me because me I take care of JV. That's why always joining to vacation for JV like that. And then I take care of JV, and then I cleaning my room. JV I clean room, and then the CR like that. And then after that, after finish I here stay always here in at Rome because JB always not to always because this is JB is every time you have looking what are you doing like that because it's just JB okay guys, this is my work. And then here is people working here. My employer is I have cooking work and cleaning and what call that, lavandera. Is 4 people here worker in here and home, but uh, for working inside work here, my employer sometimes is he did not understand each other, but it's normal for coworkers. It's a normal for coworkers. He did not understanding each other. It's a normal, but before is not understand each other, but uh, 1 day or 2 days is okay. Back to normal, back to happy again, back to talk each other like that. But sometimes not okay, but not always, not, but for example is worker here inside to my employer coworker like that. It's not good to not talk each other, because maybe it's not what call that, maybe it's not everyday work is not good each other. Maybe it's the the day is maybe is not happy because it's the one, the people is not talk each other. Maybe it's not, maybe it's for example she is my coworker, she did not talk to me. Maybe me is sometimes is you go there to the room or talk, or what happened, why you did not talk to me, why you are it's misunderstanding each other like that. That after that is okay. And ito yung room. This my room is okay. See you guys. Bye guys. See you next video. Guys, support to me, to my vlog, because me is a single mother. I try to vlog. Then see you. Okay guys, bye guys. See you next video. Bye.